Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and Lily, and welcome to Lily's Farm, where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Today, we're drawing letters to learn about the alphabet with animals.
We'll draw and paint these letters to show you an animal for every letter from A to Z. Want to learn with us?
Let's do this! Handy helpers, let's draw animals! Ready! The first letter is the letter A. A is for ant. Ant. Can you say ant? Ants go marching in a tiny line. March, 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 march.
Next is B. B stands for bee. Bee. Bees are yellow and black, and they go buzz.
Now the next letter is the letter C. C is for cat. Cat. Can you say cat? Cats are super playful and have long furry tails.
This is D. D is for donkey. Donkey. Donkeys live on farms and are one of the strongest animals.
This is the letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. Elephants are one of the biggest land animals, and they have long trunks.
Next is F. F is for frog. Frog. Frogs live in ponds and they jump with their big green legs.
This is the letter G. G is for goat. Goat. Goats love to chew on grass all day. Go.
This is H. H is for horse. Horse. Horses love to run really fast.
This is the letter I. I stands for iguana. Iguana. Iguanas are green lizards that love to climb up on trees.
This is J. J stands for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are like watery umbrellas that live in the ocean.
This is the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have their babies in their pouch and like to hop around.
Next is L. L stands for lion. Lion. Lions are big, strong cats, and they roar. Can you roar, handy helpers? Roar!
This is the letter M. M stands for monkey. Monkey. Monkeys live in the jungle and like to swing from tree to tree.
Next is N. N stands for newt. Newt. Newts live by the water and they eat little bugs.
This is the letter O. O is for owls. Oh, owls. Owls have big heads and two big eyes, and they go hoot hoot in the trees. Hoot 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 hoot.
This is P. P stands for pig. Pig. Pigs love rolling around in the mud. And they have pink skin too.
This is the letter Q. Q stands for quail. Well, quail. Quails are small birds with cute feathers on top of their head.
This is R. R stands for rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbits have two floppy ears and big, strong feet to hop, hop, hop.
This is the letter S. S stands for shark. Shark. Sharks live in the sea and go chomp, chomp. Dun, 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 dun.
Next is T. T stands for turtle. Turtle. Turtles walk really slow because they have big green shells on their back.
This is the letter U. U stands for urchin. Urchin. Urchins look like spiky balls that live in the sea.
This is V. V stands for vulture. Vulture. Vultures are birds that fly high in the sky and they go caw, caw.
This is the letter W. W stands for wolf. Wolf. Wolves are really big dogs that live in the forest, and they howl really loud at night.
Next is X. X stands for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish are see-through. You can see their bones while they swim.
This is the letter Y. Y stands for yak. Yak. Yaks live high in the mountains, and they look like really hairy cows.
And the last letter is Z. Z stands for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and they can run really fast like horses.
Wow! We learned all the letters from A to Z with animals. Great job, handy helpers!
Yep, we learned A for ant, B for bee, and all the way to Z for zebra. Handy helpers, what's your favorite animal? A dog? A turtle? Awesome!
Thanks for learning your ABCs with us, handy helpers. Let's give a big alphabet high five. And remember, at Andy's Workshop, we fix it, build it, and learn it together. See you next time.